Hi guys, just trying a dimple bump key that has been lent to me very kindly by Meerkat, who I think got it off Wrath, which I'm not sure about, but I think he did. I've never tried doing this before. I've just done it twice and I've had succession both times. It's taken me a while to get there, but I've got there. I'm going to try and capture it on video. Don't know whether it's going to work or not, but I'm going to give it my best shot. That's the bump key that I'm using. Like I say, I believe made by Wrath. Will not work the lock, no matter what you do. So I don't know what I'm doing, but I must be doing something right. Of course, when you're trying to get it on cam, it doesn't want to work. As you can hear, a lot of the pins are setting. I'm just not catching it right. Hopefully I don't knock a key up. There we go. Job done. I was struggling there because I've got my little webcam set up down here to try and catch it. So I just altered the position a lot, have you noticed, and got it set and go. There you go, guys. Hope that's helpful to some people out there. I'm a newbie at this. This is the first time I've ever tried this one, and it works. Thanks to Meerkat, and a thanks to Wrath for the key.